ClaimLens is a local claim verification pipeline I built. Give it any claim, a headline, a statistic, a rumor, and it queries live web sources, runs retrieval-augmented generation, and returns a structured verdict with per-source attribution scores. The reasoning chain stays entirely local. 3 components make it work: a live search module, a chunker and embedder that build a local vector store from retrieved results, and a retrieval chain that scores each source independently before synthesizing a verdict. Per-source scoring is the central design choice. Every confidence number traces back to a specific document chunk, not a single opaque LLM output. Setup is minimal. Clone the repo. Populate the env file with a search API key and an LLM key, then run the entry point. The pipeline handles the rest: fetch, chunk, embed, retrieve, score, verdict. This project was built entirely by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Full source on GitHub under Ritik Paddle.